This video has been requested by Jason L. Saka AUTTP, the Halloween EAS fan 2022. Anyways, wow, I like this user. Jason L. Saka AUTTP, the Halloween EAS fan 2021. He makes good videos on bad users, like bad videos on bad users that he hates. He even makes good videos on uh Roblox app. This is like a game that he plays. That's cool. He even makes bad videos out of fake Elmo UTTP THCGC TSPL. Okay. Any other videos that he uploads? Oh, he also makes good videos on go dislike and comment. How dare you? Okay. He even sends fake Elmo UTTP THCGC TSPL an angry message for making bad videos out of AUTTP users. Okay. Oh, and by the way, he makes rules for his channel. So that's cool. And also, he likes good users and he hates bad users. Okay. And he also likes Windows. That's very cool. Okay. So this is episode 4 of me solely on good users. And Andressa Carmelin Rocha is next. So don't replace him. He's going to be saluted next in episode 5. Anyways, end the salute.